Allegra is an antihistamine that reduces the effects of natural chemical histamine in the body. Generic name fexofenadine. Histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and runny nose. Allegra is used to treat the symptoms of seasonal allergies, hay fever, in adults and children. Allegra is also used to treat skin itching and hives caused by a condition called chronic idiopathic urticaria in adults and children. How to use. Allegra comes as tablets in different strengths, 30 mg, 120 mg, and 180 mg. How much you take depends on why you are taking it. The usual dose for treating hay fever is 120 mg once a day for adults and children aged 12 years and over, 30 mg twice a day for children aged 6 to 11 years, with the doses spaced 10 to 12 hours apart. The usual dose for treating hives is 180 mg once a day for adults and children aged 12 years and over. Allegra is not recommended for treating hives in children under 12. Try to take Allegra tablets at about the same time every day, choose a time that is easier to remember. If you are taking 30 mg Allegra tablets, you can take them with or without food. If you are taking 120 mg or 180 mg Allegra tablets, take them before a meal. Always take your Allegra tablets with a drink of water, swallow them whole, do not chew them. Contraindications. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if it is safe for you to take Allegra if you are allergic to any drugs or if you have kidney disease. It is not known whether Allegra will harm an unborn baby. Tell a doctor if you are pregnant or plan to become pregnant while using this medicine. Precautions. Don't take Allegra with fruit juice such as apple, orange, or grapefruit. These juices can make it harder for your body to absorb Allegra. Avoid taking an antacid within 2 hours before or after you take Allegra. Don't use Allegra at the same time as antacid that contains magnesium or aluminum. Ask a doctor or pharmacist before using other cough or cold medicines that may contain similar ingredients. Allegra side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have any of the signs of an allergic reaction to Allegra: hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop taking Allegra and call a doctor if you have fever, chills, body aches, cough, or other flu symptoms. Less serious Allegra side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, upset stomach, menstrual cramps, drowsiness, tight feeling, headache, or muscle or back pain.